Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Bitget cryptocurrency exchange app on your Mac in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock or by opening Spotlight Search. To open Spotlight, press Command plus space on your keyboard, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to bitget.com. That's the official Bitget website. Always make sure you're visiting the correct site to keep your trading account secure. Now, at the top of your screen, click on File in the menu bar and select Add to Dock. A small pop-up window will appear. You can rename it if you want, but I'll leave it as Bitget. Click Add, and you'll see the Bitget icon appear right in your dock. Here's the nice part. When you click the Bitget icon, it opens in a standalone app-like window, totally separate from Safari. You can close Safari, and Bitget will remain open, just like a native Mac application. And that's it. You now have the Bitget app installed on your Mac as a standalone web app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Mac and crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.